Yeah, 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 yeah. Itunu,
Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Um so in this video I guess I'm going to be making up. I'm tapping my face right now. I don't know why or um okay, so now I'm applying the foundation powder brown. Looks like clay and yeah, okay, got to get it in your chin, around the nose, on the forehead, and lightly dab with um, um, okay, so now I'm applying I don't know what this is called. um well, something brown, a bit sticky, like clay, so you blend it with some nice flat brush and your beauty blender. Yes, I got that right. So beauty blender, you know um, around the eyes or below the eyes, on the chin, the cheeks, and everywhere. Now, I think this is another foundation or something like that. I don't know, but yeah, whatever, man. So you just make small splashes or dots with your thumb or your index finger, or one of your fingers, yeah. So apply this gently and then use your beauty blender to blend it out all over the face until you get an even brown glow. Then now you apply your contour with a nice broad brush. Yeah, remember to apply it around your cheekbone. Um, and yeah, oh, apply it to your forehead, the side of your forehead too. Interesting. So yeah, apply it, and now we move on to what's this called again? Highlighter. Yeah, okay, your highlighter. Yeah, or concealer, whatever, man. Your concealer that highlights your concealer, be your concealer that your highlighter that conceals your highlight. What am I saying? Okay, well, so you apply the concealer slash highlighter, whatever it is, and blend it in, and now you put another one on top, another layer, a darker shade. Yeah, it's best. Then draw your highlighter down the nose, then the chin, your forehead. I think that nose one is always the bomb. Like, ladies be killing us. All right, so it helps give your nose a good, nice, straight shape, I guess. But just like with every other thing, you blend it gently with your beauty blender. I don't know. I wonder how makeup will be like without this beauty blender. So, your beauty blender helps you make everything balanced, I guess. Now you apply some powder. Now this powder, well, I think it's just to help whatever you put on that set. I don't know. It's like cement. So hold the foundation and everything together. Now you apply this brown powder below your contour to help bring out the contrast, I guess. Um, and yeah, use whatever this soft stuff is called. Yeah, check me out. Yeah, I did good. Now some bronzer. Yeah, this is someone's favorite. Wow. So you put some bronzer on your contour, on your cheekbones, and brush it lightly, and yeah, around wherever you feel like putting it. Follow your heart. Let your heart guide you. Okay, even under your chin, in case you have a double chin, sort it out. All right, so now this is going to be just to apply some color to it, to blush, I guess, to make it yeah, look like Marilyn Monroe or whatever, you know. Now you want to make sure that the nose is looking sharp, so you brush around the edges of the highlighter you put to bring it out more, and yeah, just add a bit more of blush on top of blush, another blush. So make sure you're blushing all day long. Is it a thing that black people don't blush? Well, makeup helps you blush. Yay! All right, put some powder just to make everything look more matte looking. So it's not shiny. I'm not looking like someone that they painted like. Now for this guy, I don't know what this guy is called, but yeah. Oh yeah, this is the real bronzer. Sorry, this is the golden bronzer. Now you're a golden girl. All right, so I put it on top of my blush. Yay! Put some more. Yeah. Guess just use this brush looking, fan looking brush around my face, you know, and then touch my face. This is for the eyeliner. It's like a foundation so that your eyeshadow sticks on. Yeah, so now I'm gonna color it. I'm gonna be using something close to red, orange, peach. Now I'm gonna put this color on top of the foundation. Yeah, and yeah, it's coming out nicely. Oh, sweet, nicer than I thought it would. I like it. Yeah, rub it. Make sure that it blends out at the edges, so it's not too sharp. Yeah, don't look like you have a razor blade on top of your eyes. Yeah, let it be smooth. Mm, yeah. Now I want to draw my eyeliner. Just give it a bit more oriental look, so I can look like a geisha, Japanese geisha. I feel like we should insert some Asian soundtrack here. But yeah, moving on. So this takes a bit of skill and patience, Draw a line gently with firm hands. Now I put some mascara just to give my eyelash that pop. Ladies, why is it that guys that don't need eyelashes always have long eyelashes? But story for another day. Moving on. I apply some lipstick. I'm using a brown. Then I apply on top of the brown more light pink, and then I smack my lips together just like that, and then I apply a third layer of something close to silver or gold. I don't know if it's anything like silverish gold, but yeah, you know, yeah. Mm. And now for the mists, the girls looking all beat up and done. Gotta slay them. Ooh, yeah, give it to them. Come on. Welcome to greatness, bitches. Yay! Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it. Peace out.